It's almost Halloween, you guys, and today the Shop Like That crew is going head to head to see who can create the best Spirit Halloween costume with a $50 budget.
Pink tutu. Yes, please.
I found it.
Who's gonna win? We need you to help us decide.
That's very creepy and amazing. All right, we're here at Spirit. Let's see what we can get for $50. Look at these. These are incredible. I love that I can wear whatever I want for Halloween. You can be whoever you want and you can take a break from being yourself. And I think we could all use a break, am I right? Oh my goodness.
Here we are, Spirit Halloween. Got my Old Greg essentials list. We're gonna make this happen for under 50 bucks. Here we go.
Just stick your head in.
You can pull that off, right? All right, guys. I'm here in the Armory with my friends Mr. Swab and Mullet. I am super excited. I picked a character from my favorite sketch comedy show, The Mighty Boosh. This character's called Old Greg. He's a scaly manfish, and I know that sounds crazy, but it's gonna be funny, I promise.
I do think that I may end up spending the least amount of money out of the three of us because I have a little secret helper that you'll see later on in the video. The Spirit in my neighborhood is super cool. It's kind of in this abandoned movie theater looking building, so I'm excited to go inside.
So much to choose from. This is terrifying. Okay, that's just inappropriate. Don't look at me like that. Okay, I really like this jacket, like to actually wear in real life. I am so indecisive. I bet Christina just walked in and was like, yes, I have a vision. I am getting an idea. This is the right color palette, but maybe something a little scarier. I'm thinking classic horror movies. Well, classic for millennials. Oh my gosh, look, it's perfect basics. I think I'm going to go with some stripes, you know, maybe mix it up, but we definitely have our color palette down, black and white.
I have no idea what the girls are gonna do. I feel like the biggest consideration here is gonna be originality and creativity. Grown man in a pink tutu? I think so. Green tights? Bam. These two items put me at $34.98. I got $15.02 left to go. Can I get the makeup for that? Let's see what happens.
The good news is there's a lot of really good stuff, so I'm quite excited. That's cute.
Wild West. Hopefully I can really stretch my $50 and come up with something epic.
Okay, this is pretty epic. A marshmallow light up helmet, that is actually so cool. Something I didn't tell anyone else, I have a coupon. So good job me spotting this. Thought it would maybe give me an advantage to this competition. I'm not mad about it. I'm really getting inspired by this black and white color palette, and I could go a couple different directions with it. Do you see what I see? Looks like another perfect basic piece for my spooky outfit. We still have one more item to get. Can you guess what I'm making? No? Yes?
All right, kids, here we go. I got my face paints, red, black, green. We're gonna repurpose this guy for all of the plants in the hair. I got the pink tutu, I got the leggings, and that puts me at just over $47. Now that gets me everything but my silver jacket. Hopefully find something in my closet to repurpose. And that's it. Wonder how the ladies are doing. Well, I hope, actually that's a lie. I hope they're not doing well because this is a contest and I'm going for the win.
All right, after much debate, I think I'm gonna go with a killer clown, but like a cute killer clown. Like this could be really cool, this collar, and then I just do makeup like hers. This is only $8, so I think I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get this white little top. Also, we're all about repurposing here, and I'm like, I could wear this as a shirt with like jeans in normal life. So this cost $30, so that's definitely more than I want, but I think a huge part of this outfit will be like the makeup and the hair. I think I might also want to add some little hair color. So we either have the scary clown hair clips for $8, or these are each $3, but honestly I feel like I only need one. And I think I'm gonna go with gloves and just wear like leggings. I'm so excited. This is like the Phantom of the Opera's nightmare. I found the face of my costume. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show the other guys.
One thing I was super inspired by was TikTok. A lot of people are running around in ghost faces or pumpkin heads, and I really wanted to do my own play on that. I got it! Yes!
Old Greg has a sense of style, and we're gonna have to embody that here. So. And there you have it, folks. I'm Old Greg.
I'm Old Greg.
I'm Old Greg.
You ever drink Baileys from a shoe?
Here is the final look. We've got the gloves, we've got the corset, the clown collar, and the little hair pieces. And last but not least, because I couldn't buy the bloody knife prop in the spirit store, I would have gone over budget. I did grab this knife from my kitchen. Really adds to the look. Without further ado, I think it's time that the three of us reveal our final costumes to each other. Are you guys ready to go?
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh, let's do this. I can't wait to see.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cameras on. Oh my god. Okay, this is incredible. First of all, Christina, what are you?
Lady Scream.
Yes. All right, David.
I'm Old
Greg.
Greg. I'm a scaly manfish. I like to drink Baileys from a shoe.
As I'm
Tell us
sure
about
you
yours.
probably realized, I am a killer clown. Don't I look so scary?
No.
Okay, Christina, can you tell me a bit about your costume? What'd you end up buying, and how much did everything actually cost?
I bought pretty much everything that you see here except for the shoes.
So did you end up staying in the budget, or how did it go?
I went like $1 over with tax and everything, but
Okay, Old Greg, what was your inspiration? What'd you end up buying, and how much did you spend at Spirit?
So, I feel like I did a pretty good job. My key piece, obviously, is this wonderful pink tutu. I was a little worried in the beginning because the tutu itself was $25, so that was half my budget gone. But the tights were $12.99, and then I spent another $2.50 on makeup crayons and $3.99 on my face paint. And that took me to a subtotal of $47.49, which was just under budget, but with tax that creeped up to $52.
But nice getting crafty, because you had a more expensive piece, so then you had to really get creative for the others. I love it.
Totally.
I found that to be kind of a theme as well. So my costume, I am a killer, scary, fun clown. I bought this little like corset-y thing. My thought behind it, it was originally $29.99, which is like way too much of the $50 budget. And I actually ended up having a 20% off coupon that came in the mail, and it applied to the most expensive item that I bought.
What?
Yeah.
Hold on. I did not know that was a possibility.
Honestly, I didn't either, but it came in the mail and I decided to use it to my advantage. I bought these gloves, which were $10. And then the collar I felt was very important. This was another $8. And then these little pieces were $3. So with the 20% off coupon, I too spent like exactly $50. I think with tax, it might have been like $1 over $2. I need to do the exact math, but I think you know what time it is. It's time to pick a winner of this costume contest. How are we ever gonna choose?
I don't know. I mean, I think this is hard because, like, you guys, in terms of what you got from Spirit and the like most bang for your buck, I think you guys really nailed it.
And Christina for sure wins the whole background setup, whole situation by far. But Dave, your face, your makeup, your overall look. I mean, Christina, don't you think it's pretty impressive?
it's so unique. It's head to toe.
H to T. Yeah, H to T. Look at those T's. I don't know. I feel like that's a winner in my mind, but I guess we're gonna have to let everyone in the comments sound off. It's up to you to decide whose outfit wins the Spirit 2022 Halloween costume contest. Let us know, vote in the comments, and if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit subscribe, check out our latest videos, and I hope you have an amazing, happy Halloween. We'll see you next time. Bye.